आज सुबह से ही हम आपको एक और इम्पोर्टेंट मैनेजमेंट के रिएक्शंस के कुछ पार्ट इंटरेक्शन के दिखा रहे थे। पीबी फिनटेक के को फाउंडर और सीईओ आशीष दयाक के साथ हमारे मैनेजिंग एडिटर निकुंज डालमिया ने खास बातचीत की थी। आइए पूरी वो खास कॉन्वर्सेशन सुनवाते हैं। पीबी फिनटेक का वो शेयर है जो पूरे न्यू एज स्पेस में अच्छी खासी मूव बजट के बाद से दे भी रहा है। आगे के ग्रोथ प्लान्स क्या कंपनी के, आइए सुनते हैं।
My stake has increased and will hopefully increase further by about 1% since the point when we went public till now.
So why will your stake increase?
Because we had ESOPs, which when you get the ESOPs, you exercise them and your stake goes up. And when you exercise them, you also have to pay taxes.
Thank you.
So for that, you have to sell some shares. That is how it is for most people.
Has the public market forced you to rethink any of your strategies? The general mantra for a consumer tech or a fintech company was growth. And the more you grow, the more you are valued. That was the matrix which was used by PE investors.
Yeah.
But has the stock market or the public market compulsion forced you to rethink your growth strategy?
So one of my frustrations is that the public market will claim that it has forced us to rethink our strategy, while our strategy has not changed at all.
Or is it?
At all.
Okay.
It is exactly what we were going to do, is what we are doing. Nothing has changed. But my frustration is that we will not be given credit of that in the end, because the market will spin its own story. And so the market will, or the media will spin its own story. And the story that fits the narrative right now is that the public markets have forced the companies to go towards profits. We have done nothing new. Our business is exactly what it was. Nothing has changed.
But your expansion, maybe expenditure in terms of the new businesses which you are incubating, the employee hiring, all that has not changed because of public market compulsion.
Let me actually explain. It was after the focus on profitability in the public markets that we started a lot of our new initiatives.
Okay.
Which did not exist. So in 2021, we did not have anything called new initiatives. This year, I'll be making almost 250 crores of losses on new initiatives, which did not exist at the point of the public markets euphoria. So all I'm saying is, maybe we're different, maybe we're out of step with the market. Yes, our new initiative costs have been coming down, but that's exactly what was planned to happen, because they went up and they came down. It wasn't that we're doing anything different. And I think I would love for people to appreciate reality for what it is, rather than spinning their own narratives and putting everybody in the same bucket.
SoftBank has sold half its stake.
Yes.
Tencent has about 9% stake.
About 5%.
About 5% stake.
Yes.
Okay, I stand corrected on that one. Are you getting a sense that more and more anchor investors are looking at reducing their stake?
I wouldn't have a clue.
So they did not approach you when they were selling in the public market?
I can tell you very candidly the conversation I had a call with all the anchor investors 1 day or 2 days before the lockup, and I told them I'm very, very grateful for all your guys' support. The company is strong, does not need your support at all. Do whatever you have to, and don't at any point believe that you owe the company something, and for that you have to hold on or sell or whatever else anybody tells you. I'm telling you this straight from my mouth. It was a 5 to 10 minute call, and that was it. And I don't think I have spoken to any one of them. Don't know. I can confirm I have never spoken to any one of them about whether they are buying or selling or what they are doing. That's their choice.
The last reported data, and if I take the ESOP charges away, you're actually making money, which means there's no cash burn.
Yeah.
And you've given a guidance that you will be positive, which is profitable, in FY24.
Yes.
Define that for us. First half, second half, first quarter, second quarter.
No, full year. When we finish March 24, because see, we are a seasonal business, so you have some seasonality, etc. When we finish March 24, overall for that thing, we would be PAT positive, is my estimate.
What could challenge your estimate?
Not too much. And I'll tell you why. See, in our first year, we had ESOP charges of about 700 crores. Those will be down to 300 automatically. So that is a delta. We have 5,000 crores of cash that generates interest income. We have a renewals business, which generates about 300 crores of revenue. It should generate about 450 crores next year. So, and that is a very high margin business. So all of this put together pretty much guarantees it. See, if anybody noticed, last quarter we did make 87 crore loss, but our ESOP charges were 111 crores.
Over 100 crores.
Yeah, so the moment you take that out, we were, from a cash perspective, we have been not burning cash for a while. Our cash balance was the same at IPO as it is today. And that's why I'm saying, I think what I was trying to tell the market is that yes, you're seeing losses, but those losses are ESOP charges, which are an
That's
accounting...
not operating loss.
Which is an accounting charge, because the ESOP charges are for 5 years. You're giving the same amount of ESOP every year, but in the first year you're charging 700 crores, in the last year you're charging 40 crores. For the same amount of ESOP every year. So that is just a delta of 660 crores that comes just from the ESOP charges.
So when you say a number...
चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं।